Hello everyone, our instrument panel. When using the instrument, first, let's take a look. There is a settings view, which is used to adjust these screens. And AMG, and everything else is adjusted here. Classic is for adjusting the UI. If you press this up, it moves up. And down to move it down. Then press OK. After adjusting, then press the back button. You see, this return key is pressed continuously. It will keep going. Then there is a radio here. If you press the OK button, it's this knob. Pressing down is the confirmation key. It can slide up and down, and left and right. Then we return. If we want to adjust the settings, we need to go to the settings. There is a display option in settings. And display units. In the display, you can adjust the color. Then brightness. Daytime brightness. Night brightness. Then there is a language. You can adjust the language. You can choose Chinese, English, and many other languages. Okay, Chinese simplified. Then scroll down. This is the dial speed. If the dial is 330, it will show 330. If it's 260, it will show 260. You can adjust the dial here. 280, 320, 330. Okay, press the OK button. Use this button to confirm. OK. After selecting, and below, there is a vehicle type. This is C-Class and GLC. Select this car model. Select the right car model. If it's diesel, you turn on the diesel. There will be area information, and it will show this information. Our car is not a diesel one. Then the color. OK, and then press OK. It can be adjusted. It can be adjusted. Then display below. Show below. Then press the return key. There's a red arrow pointing down. We scroll down. There are units and mileage, miles and kilometers. And then here, in settings, in the vehicle, it's related to the vehicle, like the auxiliary driving, assistant, and other related devices. Then press return. Under the vehicle, there is a version number, protocol version. Then scroll down. Bluetooth. We can just turn off the Bluetooth normally. Turn off Bluetooth. And Wi-Fi. These are all in debug mode, so we don't need to worry about it. Press return. Then, for the media. It shows the information in the large screen. It shows the information in the original car. The information in the car. Returning to the phone is also the phone in the big screen. Return. For CarPlay, it's the phone screen projection. Okay, then HDMI. You need to buy our large screen. It can be projected. If you don't buy it, it can't be projected without our large screen. This is not connected and cannot be used. Okay, then add driving assistance. This is some information about the original car's functions. And this is the vehicle. In the vehicle, you can view warnings. Fault codes are all in it. Trip. For the trip, you can see this information, and other information about the range. Then return. That's it.